In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Power BI dashboard from scratch. First, open Microsoft Power BI on your computer. When it launches, you'll see a clean report canvas in the center and helpful panes around it. Think of this as your workspace. The canvas is where visuals appear, and the side panes are where your fields and options live. Start by creating a blank report so you're working from a fresh canvas. A blank report gives you full control over what gets added and how it's arranged, which is perfect when you're building a dashboard from scratch. Next, make sure you're on the Home tab at the top. The Home tab collects your most used commands in one place, so you won't need to jump around as you get started. From Home, select Get Data. This is where you connect to the information that will power your dashboard. Power BI works with many sources. Files like Excel or CSV, online services, and databases. Choose the option that matches where your data lives. After you select a source, you'll see a preview so you can confirm you're pulling in the right tables or sheets. If something looks off, you can go back and pick a different table or make adjustments at the source before continuing. When everything looks good, proceed to bring the data into your report. Once your data is in, look to the side pane and click Data to review what you've imported. You'll see your tables and fields listed out. Take a moment to scan the columns and data types, numbers, text, and dates so you understand what you can analyze. Spot checking here helps you avoid surprises later when you build visuals. Now you're ready to start building. Select fields from your data and drag them onto the report canvas. As you add fields, Power BI automatically creates a visual for you, often a table or a chart, based on what you selected. If you drag a numeric field like sales amount, you'll typically see it summarized. Add a category like product or region alongside it, and you'll get a breakdown by that category. You can refine the look and behavior of the visual using the options that appear when the visual is selected, such as changing the chart type or adjusting formatting. But the key idea is simple. Pick the fields you care about and place them on the canvas to tell your story. That's it. Open Power BI, create a blank report, connect to your data, review it, and drag fields to build your dashboard. Save your work, and you're ready to iterate and share.